shit, I'm not recording. Hold on. Okay, we totally turned around and found this. Don't know.
The dishwasher has rabies, oh god.
I'm gonna get
Nobody would notice if he hadn't said not to look at
John, there's something up here, you gotta come see. Oh, they told him. What the freaking fun is that?
He knew it. He said not to look.
Oh.
Look, quick.
Oh god.
Look. I'm filming.
It's so bad.
Find the converter, I'll take care of it. Keep the dogs out of there.
Yeah.
Look at this, a freaking mop squad.
Did somebody turn it off?
No. John, how much soap did you put in?
Too much. It's still going.
It's going and going and
Aren't you
going.
supposed to put one scoop?
John, how much soap did you put in? I didn't put that much.
How much is too much? You're supposed to put one small scoop, right?
I don't know. I don't know how to use a dishwasher. Oh man, I don't know how to use kitchen utensils. Appliances, yeah.
I never thought I would honestly see somebody do that.
The floor's clean.
Hey, why don't you give it a good rub down?
Oh, hey, speaking of rub down, John, come on in here.
John, get in there. You dogs stay out. You shouldn't watch this.
Well, at least the floor's clean.
Yeah.
Oh, it's nice and warm over here.
Oh, one of the greatest typical follies of a man is to overfill the dishwasher soap.
Fuck that, I'm not that stupid.
You're Spike, you're different.
I know what I'm doing. That's not cooking more.
Oh my god.
John,
How's that bad?
teach you how to live on your own.
Yeah, really, what are you going to do when your mom goes down?
I don't know. I'm gonna kill myself.
We'll help you, Jana. Your female friends will help you.
Yes, we'll help you out in the kitchen and make you sandwiches.
Hey, John.
I didn't look at
Sonic
you.
fucking bowl.
You know what? You could wash the dishes by
Hands! It's a great idea.
That takes a lot more
Wait,
time.
when was the last time you ever washed dishes by hands?
Me? I do it all the time. I hate dishwashers.
I wash
it
dishes
every
all the
day.
time at work.
1975, I'm joking. I wasn't even born in 19. No, we did. We washed last night. We washed dishes by
I know,
hand,
I
didn't
hate
we?
using dishwashers. I wash my shit by hand, all my hand.
You just love doing things the easy way.
Okay, sure.
Oh
Also,
my
I'm going to
god.
have to do it at
Who's
work.
that?
John.
Oh,
What?
it's France.
Franzu?
France Nietzsche. I really need a shoulder massage. France, give me a shoulder massage.
Does France happen to give good shoulder
Hey,
massage?
John.
Yes, he
Yeah,
does.
it's nice that you're
He
watching
also
your
gives
wife
very good
clean.
lap dances.
Oh, so wait, so John is Spike's waifu, or Spike is John's waifu.
It's just Spike knows what the fuck he's doing. Really simple. What
Mickey.
You do is you let this
Mickey,
sink
come
out
on.
like this, so it's nice and loose. You start mopping it up.
Mickey.
Get out of here. Go on. Go in. No, I don't want him in here. He's gonna get in the soap. He's gonna get into it.
Mickey. Alright, we gotta end this and get the dogs out of here.